this. License plate number 1. How's it going, guys? It feels like forever since I've filmed a vlog. Today we are taking the McLaren to an all internal combustion engine car show. That's right, check out the flyer that Vorsteiner has. It literally says no electric cars allowed. I've never seen a car show say that before. Headed to the car show with my buddy Seth. By the way, that's a VinWiki shirt? That's actually one of my favorite shirts I've ever seen. I think I need to get one of those. And then check this thing out. Seth just picked up this ridiculous Mercy with an SV body kit, BBS wheels. This thing is absolutely epic. Look at that V12. You sure you don't want to take this?
I really do want to take it, but the battery's shot.
Classic.
Classic.
I just got a brand new camera, so I'm curious what you guys think about the quality. All right, how crazy is this? This bridge is $100 million, and they made it for animals. People can't walk across this. I'm all for saving the animals, but I have a feeling that like 3 animals in the lifetime of the bridge are actually gonna cross that. There's gonna be about $30 million per crossing. One of the funniest parts about this car meet being a no EV meet is that Vorsteiner just did the full body kit on my Plaid, and then the owner of Vorsteiner also has a Plaid. So he does like EVs, but I like the spirit of an all internal combustion engine car meet. I'm not gonna lie, I like these LC500s. They sound insane, and they're relatively a good deal right now. Nice little Urus. All right, just pulled up to my friend Tanner's house. We're gonna convoy to the car meet. Check out some of the cars in the driveway. We got the GT3, Cam's Tesla Plaid, beautiful 992 Turbo S, M3 CS, Raptor R. So many dailies. We got the Escalade, G63, and then here's where things get crazy. 765 hiding in here. Speedster above it. That is epic. Nice Bentley. Then check this out. GT2 RS. How ridiculous is this? Cam is bringing his fully caged, exposed exoskeleton Miata to the car meet. We got like an hour drive, and you're about to drive this on the freeway. That's crazy. At least you got the helmet. That's smart. This is a crazy lineup. A GT2 RS, a caged Miata. Do a burnout! I don't think that's helping it. Look at this random guy in a Dakar just ripped past us. That thing is so sick. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to do smoky burnouts in a V8 rear-wheel drive American muscle car? And how awesome would it be if you won that muscle car by buying some epic merch? Every purchase on PrimitiveSkate.com enters you to win this $55,000 Charger Scat Pack. And the awesome part is, if you don't want to spend quite as much money, every sale item actually gives you additional entries. And my favorite part, this awesome Dodge collab actually gives you 10 times the entry to win this 485 horsepower muscle car. The giveaway ends July 13th, so make sure to act fast. The drawing is done by a legal firm, and you'll be reached out to via email. I mean, look at this. 6.4 liter naturally aspirated V8, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Good luck, guys. All right, pulling up to the Vorsteiner car meet, BMWs galore, as my tire pressure has a critical error. Wow, look how slammed that Supra is. That thing is pretty clean. Cool truck too. Check this out. Here is the Dakar we saw randomly on the freeway. Makes sense that he went to this show. The 600. And we've got a Vorsteinered out Panamera. Full Vorsteiner kit on the Huracan Evo. That actually looks insane. Forged carbon fiber. Let's go ahead and check it out from the side. Vorsteiner wheels. Look at that wing. STO style wing in forged carbon. And then next to it, how crazy is this Vorsteiner G63? I actually didn't know they made this kit. I thought it was a Mansory at first. That's awesome. My favorite part about this car show is they're not blasting music, so it's not copyrighted. Got some Artura action, and then we've got the Huracan Storado, Lamborghini's version of that 911 Dakar. And then Vorsteiner actually fixed the relatively ugly M2. I actually really like what they did. with the front and rear of this car. Carbon fibered out E46 M3. Look at the interior. This thing is nicely spec'd. Red Recaro seats, carbon steering wheel, massive wing. All right, over here we've got some serious cars. We're at Gunther Works headquarters. If you didn't see my full factory tour, make sure to do so. Really cool experience, but check out this Pagani. Look at that fully exposed carbon fiber Wyra VC, one of my favorite cars I have ever driven and reviewed on vehicle versions. Just such a spectacular looking vehicle, and it does actually drive as good as it looks. The steering wheel and the interior on this thing is such a work of art. It's actually insane. Look at this shifter. Man, someday I hope I can own this car. Apparently, a bunch more hypercars are pulling up. We've got beautiful, full exposed carbon fiber Gunther Works. That thing never gets old. Absolutely gorgeous Ruby Star Red GT3 RS next to a Huracan STO. Two of the coolest track beasts out there on the market. And then check this out, GT4 RS Spider. This has got to be fun to drive. Although it is interesting getting a convertible track-focused car, because obviously you're losing a bit of structural rigidity and adding weight, but obviously with the top down, that's got to be a bunch of fun. And then we've got the 991 generation GT3 RS. I still need to own one of these at some point. The OG and the new gen NSX next to each other. These cars I feel like are underrated. It came out before its time. It was a hybrid supercar, and now every supercar is becoming hybrid. They were just kind of overpriced when they came out. This is actually such a chill car meet, honestly. Really cool spec on this 1M. The amount of Porsches at this meet is actually pretty absurd, and there's some really special ones as well. All right, how crazy is this? This isn't just a lifted power wagon. Check out what's under the hood. It's got a red-eye motor with 808 horsepower. Apparently this thing peels the tires out at 25% throttle. It's basically fully ground up, redone, just the body is stock. This thing looks absolutely insane. Look at that.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you.
Such a sexy car. One of my favorite cars, the 997 3RS. What's going on? Ooh. Check out these matching spec E92s on TE37s. That is clean. I don't know what body kit is on this Supra, but looks pretty damn aggressive. All right, it's gotta have air suspension, because this thing is, if this is static, that's the craziest thing I've ever seen. There's literally no space between the side skirt and the ground. Look at that, Assetto Fiorano SF90. What's going on? Beautiful SVJ. Some more SVJs coming through. And then look at this. Beautiful blue 918 Spider. That is awesome. Awesome matte black Pista. Orange interior too, that's crazy. Look at this. 6x6 pulling through. That is crazy. And then we got a Brabus 6x6. What a way to pull up to a car show. Another Dakar with the Rough Roads livery. Look at this, they lined up all of the cars next to each other. That is really cool. And then look at this, license plate number 1. All right, I'm here with Pharrell, biggest legend. You remember every detail of every video since like 2013.
Yeah, like 2017, like 2016, bro.
Yeah.
2016.
I'm impressed. Thank you for the support, seriously.
Yeah. I've been watching you since you had like 3 cars back then, like the Mercedes, the BMW, the Lamborghini Gallardo, all those cars, man. Those cars were so sick. Hell yeah.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah. You need to get that BMW back, bro.
I do.
Yeah.
The E39 M5, it needs to happen. Brabus 6x6 pulling out with the other. That thing is insane. Oh, that sounds good. Damn, that must have an exhaust on it. Damn, the wrap on this thing goes crazy. Huge thanks to Vorsteiner for putting on this meet, and I guess Gunther Works as well. This was absolutely insane. Super chill, no blasting music, just a bunch of awesome cars and people.